Ever wonder how long your phone stays unlocked after the screen turns off? Sometimes you want it to lock fast, other times a short delay makes things easier. Let me show you how to choose the right auto lock time on the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. First, head into settings, scroll down from the top right corner of the screen to open up the quick settings panel, and then tap setting icon. Scroll down the screen to find lock screen and AOD. Tap lock screen and AOD. Tap secure lock setting. Enter your current screen lock. Next, tap auto lock when screen turns off. Now, choose a time like 5 seconds, 30 seconds or 1 minute. So, which one should you pick? Depends on your need. You can choose 5 seconds if you want maximum security. This means your phone lock almost immediately so no one can get in if you forget. Or you can choose 30 seconds or more if you need a little more time. It's helpful when you are multitasking or checking something often like during work or travel. It's all about what works best for you. With this setting, you can control how fast your phone locks, balancing security and convenience. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.